My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we are talking about the Chia network. What's the current price of the Chia network? What's the price since occur in the Chia network? And especially in this video, I'm talking about the very important update of the Chia network. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe FBS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Anyways, friends, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. As you can see, the current price of the Chia network is 1490.44 per USD dollar is the current price of the Chia network. On the other side, if we do the price change occur in the Chia network, so 1.87% changes occur in the Chia network. Absolutely, the price of the Chia network is very badly fast down, friends. That is the 24-hour price change occur. As you can see here, if we look the highest price of the Chia network in the 24 hours and the lowest price of the Chia network in the 24 hours, so approximately 100 200 per USD dollar change occur in the price of the Chia network in only 24 hours, friends. So absolutely the price change goes, the price of the Chia network is going down in the 24 hours. Let's see the price statistic of the Chia network for more details. Same like that, the price change, as I told you, that 1.86% fast down, and the trading volume is already fast down 51.36%. The trading volume of the Chia network are falls down, friends. The fully diluted market cap is also 1.78% fast down, friends. So absolutely, the now the bait time of the Chia network are once again start now. As you can see here, from the previous last 1 month, the price changed as a negative, as you can see here now. But I think if you look the currently condition of the Chia network, so I think they gradually start moving upward, and I hope that slowly with the passage of time they the change become positive, and I hope they will give you good amount of profit in the future, friends. But friends, you have to hold Chia network for the last of this year, friends. Absolutely, they can easily hit 2000 USD dollar and with the end of 2021, friends. So what's your prediction? What's your opinion about Chia network? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.